Palantir announcing a partnership with the defense tech startup Anduril today with the goal of ensuring America leads the AI race, and that's also a focus of Silicon Valley in the new year. Our Deirdre Bosa has more on that in today's Tech Check. Morning, Dee.
Hey, good morning, Carl. So a pair of notes from here on the ground are making the rounds in tech at the moment that look to government and defense as themes at the earliest stages of the investment cycle that will continue to win next year as Silicon Valley's influence in the next administration only grows. Now, the first is Y Combinator's request for startups in 2025. It lists government software as its first idea. It reads, "It's hard to think of something that sounds less appealing as a place to look for startup ideas than the government, but if you're up for digging in that space, we'd love to hear from you." And the second one is VC firm Andreessen Horowitz' list of big ideas in tech for 2025. It puts American dynamism at the very top and argues that, quote, "We must invest in technologies that enable rapid force projection, energy, space, and AI advancements can all play a critical role in hardening our capabilities against our international rivals." Now, it certainly helps that Palantir is one of the most successful Silicon Valley stories of the last few years. As Y Combinator notes, it's one of the only startups that has managed to figure out selling software to the government. At its IPO in 2020, it was valued at about $20 billion. Today, that is well over $160 billion. In fact, I was at an event here in San Francisco last week, and 3 separate founders described their startups to me as the Palantir of X. For a long time, it was the Uber of X, but at least anecdotally, it feels like the narrative is shifting, and Silicon Valley's ethos of innovation, it's now converging with Washington's priorities. It also helps that President-elect Trump's circle of Silicon Valley advisors are running companies with government contracts like Elon Musk, or they're VCs that have invested in defense startups like David Sachs, selected as AI and crypto czar, and Mark Andreessen of Andreessen Horowitz, who is reportedly helping to recruit for DOGE, the Department of Government Efficiency. Now, the new aspiration in Silicon Valley, it's not just disruption for legacy software applications, but it's really impact on critical infrastructure, national resilience, and geopolitics, especially as the AI race increasingly gets painted as China versus U.S., autocratic versus democratic development. Now, this is already proving lucrative for the companies that can figure it out. You mentioned Palantir hitting an all-time high today after giving up those gains, now down more than 12%. There's also SpaceX, of course, a private company, Elon Musk's private company, mulling a deal that would put its valuation at $350 billion. Now, of course, important caveat here, guys, for every Palantir or Anduril or SpaceX, there are dozens of startups in the defense or government space that have discovered the hard way that navigating government is a grind, and this could be more hype than sustainable strategy. But at the earliest stages of investment, there seems to be more than ever at least a willingness to try, and that's what people here have their eye on.